Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to supercharge your Shopify store with intelligent, automated customer support? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to add an AI chatbot to your Shopify store, one that can actually have real conversations with your visitors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your chatbot up and running, so your customers can get instant answers to their questions day or night. Let's jump right in. So starting off, open up your Shopify admin page. This is your command center for everything on your store: products, orders, settings, you name it. If you're already logged in, you'll land right there. If not, just type in your details and sign in. It's a good idea to make sure you're on a computer or tablet for this part, since the admin interface is a little easier to use on a bigger screen. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look towards the left side. You'll see a menu, and in that menu there's an option called Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Apps are really like the power-up tools you add to your Shopify store to handle extra tasks, things Shopify doesn't do natively. Think of them like plugins that can add super useful features with just a few clicks. On the Apps page, you should see an option to visit the Shopify App Store, or sometimes there's a search box right there. What you want to do is type AI Chatbot into the search bar. Just type it in and hit enter. The search will bring up a list of AI chatbot apps. Some may have fancy names or extra features, but take a moment to scan the list and look for Ask Timmy AI Chatbot. This is the one we'll be using today because it's easy to set up, reliable, and it actually interacts in a conversational way, not just with canned responses. When you see Ask Timmy AI Chatbot in the results, click on it. This will take you to the app's detail page. Here you can read reviews, check out screenshots of the bot in action, and see a breakdown of what the app can do. If you'd like a bit more info before installing, feel free to browse through the features or reviews. But don't worry, installation is quick and you can always adjust settings later. Now to add the chatbot to your store, you'll want to click Install. Sometimes Shopify will ask you to confirm installation or grant permissions. Just review what the app is asking for. Usually it's access so the bot can communicate with your customers, which is exactly what you want. Hit Install to move forward. This part might take a few moments while Shopify integrates the app into your site. If you ever feel unsure, remember, you're not making any permanent changes yet. Installing an app just gets it ready, and you'll have the chance to configure everything before your customers see it. Once it's installed, you can jump into the settings and start customizing how your AI chatbot behaves. Change its greeting, teach it to answer common questions, or set up advanced features. But for now, you've just done the hard part and got the bot ready to go. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've brought conversational AI right to your Shopify storefront. Your visitors can now get instant, helpful responses, freeing up your own time and making your store feel welcoming and modern. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions about customizing your chatbot or troubleshooting, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, easy-to-follow Shopify tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.